Video frame rate or frames per second is an important parameter in Android video processing and gaming because it is one of the factors that provide for fast and reliable computer vision functions such as object detection. We wanted to check if video frame rates generated by OpenCV vary with faster camera movements or with fast-moving objects in the video, such as this video of a rotating ceiling fan. I did a slow pan of the Android camera. I used OpenCV to grab frames from the video in my app. By the way, OpenCV seems to grab frames at a much faster rate than the frame rate at which the Android camera recorded the video. So if you want to know how to get the actual frame rate of a video instead, check out the video at the link above. While reading this slow panning video, OpenCV obtained frames mostly at a rate of 148.825 frames per second, whereas with this video of a ceiling fan that is rotating quite fast, OpenCV read it at a frame rate of 145.69 frames per second. This is about a 2% reduction in the frame rate attained with the video of a faster moving object, that is, the rotating fan. I used the same Android phone for both the tests. I maintained the same Android build versions and a similar battery level. Of course, we need more tests and control for several variables to get a more accurate assessment of how fast-moving objects in a video can affect frame rates attained by OpenCV. But my main assumption as to why there is a frame rate reduction in OpenCV with faster-moving objects in the video is that a fast-changing scene generates more information per frame of the video, and so it takes more system resources for OpenCV to process each frame. Do you feel that this is a correct assumption? Please let me know in your comments and also share your views on other reasons that might slow down OpenCV. We have to remember that OpenCV works through the various layers of Kivy Python, JNI, and Android libraries to interact with Android hardware. I hope that this video was helpful in studying OpenCV performance on Android apps built in Kivy. If you want to know how to get the actual frame rate of a video instead, check out this video. Our channel researches these aspects and brings you our findings that can help save time and shorten learning curves for developers and decision makers when it comes to computer vision use cases on Android. To get more of this type of content, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our content in this exciting journey of smart mobile development.